Ecom boss, throw an egg for every ad account you have banned.
Mole remover, Halloween store with my cousin from 2017. The oximeter and the Facebook pixel we had on it. Guys, I don't know, I can't even count anymore. Yo, what's going on guys, this is the Ecom boss, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys something super interesting, because I've realized guys, and I realized this a year ago at least, the dropshipping stores, they sell for so much money. You guys have no idea how much money you can make of a dropshipping store that's only done $200 to $300 to $1,000 profit. I'm just saying guys, you can make a lot of money selling dropshipping stores on the exchange marketplace. So a little bit later inside of this video, I will bring you guys inside of my computer to show you guys around a little bit on what you can expect, how much to sell your store for, where to sell your store, and a little bit of details surrounding that, because I actually had a lot of people asking me how do I sell my store. So if you're interested in seeing a video on how to sell your store, you got it guys. If you want to get into a coaching program, please message me on Instagram here, and if you just want to follow me, please follow me there as well. Me and my team are working behind the scenes on a course. Yes, I said it because a lot of you guys been asking me. I was thinking for a long time I'm not going to do it because I didn't want to be one of the gurus, but I actually feel like I have some really valuable information and that I could change your guys' life with a course. And since so many of you guys been asking for it and the demand is high, I will work on it. Yes, I will do it. I'll do it, but I'll probably just do it one time. Anyways, so there are a place called Exchange Marketplace. There are a lot of other places too where you guys could sell your Shopify dropshipping store. And a store that's done low numbers could actually make a lot of money as well just by selling it. So a really cool business model, I have friends doing this, is just like running stores, putting them up to like 1K a day, 2, 3K a day, not scaling far, not scaling for months and months, just making a store, scaling a little bit, and then just selling it. And that's a way for you guys to basically just print money, because these stores really sell, and you would think like nobody buys these stores, but they really do. So in a sec, I'll show you guys the Exchange Marketplace, but this is a genius business model. So the business model we're talking about now is building a store solely just based on trying to sell it. So you build a store, scale it to $5,000, you have $2,000 profit, you sell it for $20,000, you made a lot of money, a lot of money. So if you do that with a lot of stores, you sell them. Or maybe you just sit on a store. A store is an asset, right? So maybe you just sit on the store and you want to sell it. Well, I got you guys. You can sell your store, of course. So we should probably get into my computer. Before all that, smash a like on this video, please, and make sure you subscribe to the Ecom channel. Appreciate all of you guys. Make sure you subscribe, and let's get into the PC, show you guys how to sell a store. Okay guys, we're inside of my computer. So this is the Exchange Marketplace. This is a website where you guys can be selling your dropshipping stores. Really interesting. So here we have a store that's doing 2K a month profit and is selling for 49,000. Well, that's just its asking price. Do we know if it's going to sell for that? We'll see. But I'm just talking like some of the margins there are incredible. These stores really sell for a lot of money. Right now it says no average profit, so you should probably just, refresh this thing. Let's price it high to low. Keep in mind, guys, even if the store's not done a lot of money, you can still do this thing. So this one makes approximately 7K a month in profits, and it has an inventory value of 10K, so he's obviously doing good. He's asking for 95,000 for this store, doing 7K profit a month. That's incredible. And do I think it's gonna sell? I think it might sell. Well, however, when you buy a business, I've heard, and I'm pretty sure you usually buy like the next upcoming 5 years. So if the business revenues, or if the business profits $1 million a year, you want to buy it for $5 million, because that's $1 million a year for the next 5 years. I'm just saying, like, it's gonna be, you buy 5 years worth of money in that business, if it makes sense for you guys. So if this one makes 7K a month on average profit, that goes up to maybe like around $80,000 a year, maybe a little bit more. I think it would be like $85,000 a year or something like that. Definitely worth it, guys. For $95,000, that's a good deal. It is a good deal. However, you don't know though if these stores are going to keep selling. That's the only question. And here we have another one. It's $5,000 a month in profit. He's asking for $15,000. This looks like a scam, so I won't really talk about it. This one does 5.7K a month in average profit, and you want to sell it for 7.2. I think that's a little bit of a worse deal. This one does 8K a month, sell for 150,000. I mean, you guys have to calculate yourself. Some of these prices like this one may be a little bit unrealistic, but I tell you guys, these guys sell stores for way more than what it's worth. This one does 10K a month, asking for 75,000. That's insane. So I'm just saying, guys, stores can really sell for a lot of money. You go to the Exchange Marketplace here, and then what you can do here, you can browse. You can do the industry. We could also go to sold stores, actually. You can just sort it by dropshipping if you guys want to. So here we got sold stores. I think, these are actually sold, yeah. So he's doing So he's doing 40K a month average when it comes to the profits, and he's asking for 100K, 99K. He got it sold. It sold. It really did sell. So you guys can see they probably priced a little bit high, but this one also sold. 2K a month profit, sold for 7.5K. 1K profit for 997. That's bad. This is great. This is great. You guys see. $214 a month, that's nothing. That's absolutely nothing. But man, he sold his store for, let's see how much, $850. So he sold it for 4x, and everyone can make $214 a month with free traffic and profit. Like, it's incredibly simple. So I'm just letting you guys know, $600 a month selling for 5K. Like, this stuff is a good business. You guys got to get on it. It's the best thing ever. 3K a month, 3.6K a month, sold for $20,000. Like, this is incredible. 13K a month, sold for $31,000 for 13K a month. This is so sick. I got some 8,005. There's no point of me. There's no point of me just looking over this thing, just bragging about how incredibly cool it is. We've seen all the examples. You go to the website yourself. So the only thing you guys really need to know now is how do you make $200 profit on the store? How do you make $500 profit on the store? Because we've seen examples inside of my computer now. For example, a store's, doing 3K a month, selling for $30,000. Like, you saw the store did like 3.7 or 3.6K a month profit, and someone sold it for, I think it was like 32,000 or something. That's like 10x of the work. So you guys want to just get a store, trying to scale it, find a winning product, trying to make some money of it. Then I don't know if you're going to sell the pixel. If the pixel comes with it, it might be worth a little bit more. Without the pixel, I don't know. Do you have inventory or not? Don't really stress that. But I'm just saying you could mass produce these stores. You could run a store, make a little bit of money on it, and then sell it instantly. Just keep repeating that cycle. And if you keep your pixel, this is a really, really cool tip here. So you could be scaling stores in the same niche while just keeping your pixel. So never selling your pixel. That means you can find your next winner. As long as you hold on to your dear Facebook pixel, you can just find a new winner instantly. So if you sold a store based around an acne remover, you could just use your pixel and try to run a blackhead remover, because it's sort of in the same niche, so that pixel will most likely make the blackhead remover win too. Make sure you guys like and subscribe though. By the way, you got to subscribe. You really got to. But this is super cool. I was mind blown the first time I saw it. I had a store, I think it did $30,000 in profit. We're planning on selling it for $160K. This stuff really is real. It's on the exchange marketplace. Honestly, I didn't want to expose it because I don't want this to get saturated. But I feel like a lot of you guys watching are not going to go and sell your stores instantly. But if you see it on the store, maybe you should try to sell it. I mean, there are some qualifications in terms of selling the store. I think you need like 2 months of average profit, but it's still really easy. You don't need too much of details here, but you could sell it. People actually buy it. I think they look at long term. I don't really know what they look at. Maybe they look at like, okay, so if you did 30K in a month, you can keep making 30K in a month. That's like 360K a year. I don't know what they're thinking, the people buying it, but I'm sure they have a strategy behind it. But just, I would probably, if it's possible though, and still getting the same worth, I would not sell the pixel, because that pixel is what's going to help you guys make a new product. What you guys could also do is you sell your store, but you keep running that same product on another store, because dropshipping is competitive anyways, right? So I would recommend you guys trying to do this if you sit in a store. For example, if it's not scalable, right? That's the thing. Your store is making a lot of money. You've been really profitable with it. You've been super happy. You just made a lot of money in general, but you can see on the graphs it's going a little bit down, it's dying a little bit out. Maybe it's time to sell it, try something new. Because the thing is, guys, so once, a couple of years ago, when I was new to dropshipping, I was not an expert. I was considering paying someone for coaching, which, by the way, guys, that's the smartest thing you can do, pay someone to help you. But what this guy said, so he asked me about goals, what do I want to do with dropshipping and everything, and I said like, hey man, I just want to make 200K a month. And he was like, why do you want to make 200K a month? Why won't you work for a year or work for 2 years trying to build some sustainable type of business and a store that you could sell for $5 million later? And I was a little bit mind blown, because I was always thinking about, chasing 200K a month with a 30% margin, 40% margin, making good money monthly, 70K a month or something. But I got a little bit too blind, because he said that thing and it's like, yeah, you could build a sustainable business. You could sell for $5 million later. And that's what dropshipping is. This is a business at the end of the day. I know that it looks, a little bit like a money printing game. It just looks fun and it doesn't look that serious, but this is a business. This thing is worth something. People actually do buy it. So trying to focus on that when building your brand, building your store. If it's branded, you'll get even more money out of it, right? So focus on that. Focus on scaling towards selling. But of course, if it's making good money every month, should you sell your store? That could be a whole nother video. Not in every case you want to sell your store. If someone was, for example, just coming with an offer of $40,000 for one of my stores, would I take it? I mean, probably not, you know. It's so situational. So you guys got to figure out, is it actually worth selling the store? Is it dying out? Maybe it's time to do it, maybe not. You guys will have to figure that out yourself. It's gonna be up to you. But let me know if you're hyped for the course. We'll have a huge announcement really soon, so pay attention to my Instagram. Plug in my Instagram here again, and that's gonna be it, guys. Just to summarize here, selling stores are really good. It really is. Just see me in the next video, guys. Peace.